everybody, I'm Miss Joy and welcome to Kids Craft Corner with the Hocutt-Ellington Memorial Library. Today we're going to do a fun craft in honor of Black History Month. So for us this week we're going to be making the stoplight. And the stoplight was invented by African-American inventor Garrett Morgan. He lived from 1877 to 1963. He also invented the smoke hood, which is sort of like a gas mask. And he invented a solution to straighten and process hair. So he did some pretty interesting things, but I think that all of us have stopped at some point or another at a stoplight, or we've gone through a stoplight, so we thought this would be a really fun craft to make. Here's what you'll need. You will need a pair of scissors. You will need some glue, a glue stick. You're gonna need a crayon or a pencil or something to write with. You'll need our little craft bag, which has got several sheets of paper in it. It's got a black background for your traffic light, and then we have a red, green, and yellow little sheet of paper, and this is what we're going to make our lights out of. Then you also need a lid. Now let me tell you what kind of lid you'll need. You'll need a lid that is small enough to fit inside this sheet of paper. It needs to be a circular lid, and that you can also fit 3 of on your traffic light. So let's just see how this will work. I have a few different lids here. First, I've got a lovely mason jar lid, and I'm gonna see if it'll fit inside my paper. Fits in the paper, that works great. But can I fit 3 of this back to back on this piece of paper with a little bit of space between for traffic lights? Let's see. There's one, and I'm actually just gonna use my crayon to mark it off to see. There's 1. There's 2. Uh-oh. It doesn't quite fit. It hangs off the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. So I can't fit 3 circles this size on this piece of black paper. So I need something a little bit bigger or smaller. Let's see. The next lid I've got is a coffee can lid. Let's see if that'll work. This coffee can is up. It's way bigger than this piece of paper, so we know immediately it's gonna be way too big for this. So we're not gonna use the coffee can lid, although the coffee inside smells delicious. Let me try. Ooh, I've got a coffee cup. It's not a lid, but it's a circle. Maybe this will fit. So it'll fit inside the paper just right. And then I can fit 1, 2, I can fit 3 of these on my traffic light with room to spare. So this is it. Kids, this is a really fun thing to do. You can run around your kitchen, you can pick out a few different lids and see which one fits best. And oh, you know, I could even see, what about this lid? This is a little tiny circle. Whoop. You could fit this little tiny circle here, and you could fit a whole lot of them on this sheet of paper, but it's probably too small to be a traffic light. So we're gonna go with this one. So the next step is for me to trace this circle onto my pieces of paper, and then I'm gonna cut them out. So I'm gonna start with the green sheet of paper. Can any of you tell me what this green light is for? Have you ever noticed it when your mom or dad or cousin or aunt has been driving? You probably have, because green means go. So we are gonna get going on this craft by tracing a circle on our green piece of paper. And my little handle's in the way. That's all right. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut this little sheet of paper out, this little circle out. Okay. Next, I'm gonna trace a circle on this yellow piece of paper. Can you tell me what the yellow stands for? Does yellow mean speed up? Maybe to some people, but actually the yellow means caution, the light's about to turn red. You better slow down and get ready to stop. So we're gonna get ready for our red paper by tracing this yellow one. And we cut that one out. Okay, and our last piece of paper is red, and red stands for stop. So we are going to trace this and cut it, and then we're going to stop tracing things. So now I have a green light, a yellow light, and a red light, and I need to glue them to my traffic light piece of paper. So the green light goes on the bottom of your sheet of paper. We're going to turn it up and down and do it like this. So we're going to put our green right down there. We're going to use our handy dandy glue stick. Glue that right down to the bottom of the page, just like so. Then we're going to glue down our yellow circle right above the green in the very center of the paper. And finally, now we have our green and our yellow, we need our red. We're going to glue our red circle on the top. Yeah, right there. And now I've got a red light, a yellow light, and a green light. So now you have your very own stoplight, invented by Garrett Morgan, and you can take this with you in the car so you can remind whoever's driving when they need to go, when they need to slow down, and when they need to stop. We hope you enjoyed making this craft with us, and we hope that you have a great Black History Month learning about all kinds of leaders from America's past and present, and we'll see you next time.